Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled The Most Painful Traffic Stop Ever by Cold Blue Cam.
On January 1st, 2023, a Portage County Sheriff's deputy was on patrol when he ran the plates of a vehicle in Stevens Point, Wisconsin. It came back showing the registered owner had a suspended license, so the deputy decided to conduct a traffic stop.
Don't they, isn't that considered like distracted driving if they gotta drive and type in the snow?
On approach, the female driver, 33-year-old Nicole Golomsky, immediately began yelling and cursing.
Uh-oh. She's pissed off. She went through the back ways.
You guys, next trip following and waiting for me to leave my gas pump. Look around, dude.
Oh.
Well, the
You
reason
really
why
don't
I'm
have
pulling you
anything
over.
better to do on New Year's Eve, New Year's night, New Year's Day, when there's all these motherfuckers. Get that out my eyes.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a fun video.
I didn't do anything illegal.
I'm pointing
I
right
do
here.
know I know you're gonna pull me over. I
Okay.
saw you're sitting at
You know why?
Hardee's.
Yes.
Because
You know
you're
why?
lazy and you don't want to pull over somebody with actually where you have to do paperwork.
Who has a suspended driver's license?
Oh, I got a suspended driver's license, but you can pull somebody over drinking and driving, right?
Yeah, that mean your dumb ass not supposed to be driving.
Okay, can I have your ID?
No, I don't have it with me. My name is Nicole Glumsky. You know who the I am.
Okay.
Because you just said I have a suspended license. Do what you gotta do with
Well,
your
I have to verify
dog.
that's who you are. I'm not
Don't
dogging
find
anything.
anything. I don't give a f. And your buddy back there can bring his dog.
Why is she on 10, bro? What's the issue?
You guys
You
do
smoking a cigarette, that's supposed to help you level out.
this to me anytime.
I've never met you
suck.
before,
Oh,
so
that's
I don't know
what
what
I'm
you're
saying.
talking about.
Why did you creep at Quick Trip until I left? Answer that.
Because I saw you had a suspended driver's license.
How did you see that if you're on the other side of the parking lot and then drove around my vehicle, then drove around again?
Okay, you know what? I don't
Goes
need
to
to answer
Hardee's.
you.
You don't have to answer. I don't have to answer.
What's your
you.
name, sir?
He doesn't have to answer you, does he?
Why
Get
is-
it
I don't know about this one.
out of his eyes.
She about to send you to jail, my boy. You might want to just shut up.
You're not wearing a seatbelt.
And neither the f am I. Neither am I.
I don't know that.
Oh well. Quit talking to him.
What's your name?
F off.
Oh.
He does not need to tell you his name legally.
Oh.
You're not going to try to make somebody. He's a passenger.
Did I do anything
You are
wrong?
being. This is entrapment. Do you know that? You're going to
It's
get
not
in trouble.
entrapment.
Yes, it is.
If you think I'm gonna get in trouble,
It's
my sergeant's right
trespass.
here.
Why does she look like the lady from White Chicks, the two sisters, the Marlon brothers, the Wayne's brothers?
What is that called? Harassment.
Have you been drinking tonight?
No, breathalyze this.
Breathalyzer.
Get it.
I bet it smelled like 5 years of bounce that ass.
Get it.
How do
And
I
I'm
know
not
that?
on
Your eyes are
probation.
glossy.
Yeah, I smoke a lot of weed.
You been smoking tonight?
Nope.
When's the last time you smoked?
None of your business.
Why would
smell
you say
weed?
that to a cop?
Are you gonna find weed? Nope. Sorry, you wasted your time.
I don't actually. I think I do smell weed.
You do?
Asshole.
Search it. I told you. F***er. Get your dog.
I don't need a dog.
Do you got weed on you that you would put in my car?
Why would I have weed
You,
on
you
me?
seem like a dirty, lazy cop.
Oh,
Ooh.
that's
So when you
unfortunate
dig through
to
my
think
car and you're that don't find nothing, don't be upset and then have to give me a ticket for suspended license and drive away like a piece of cop. Why don't you?
He wasn't wearing a seatbelt.
Why is he filming?
Didn't want to ID himself either.
Dude, this guy waited at Quick Trip for me. For no reason, I'm pumping gas and doing my makeup.
If you know you got a suspended driver's license, though, you shouldn't have been driving, babe.
Ready to actually go to a friend's house
Okay,
and
where
have a couple drinks.
how much have you had to drink already?
Not breathalyze me. I'm not talking to you no more. Ooh,
All right, I'll be right back.
This is like the suspect from hell. Shit.
You've got a violation of the passenger and he's refusing to identify himself.
I walked up. He wasn't wearing a seatbelt. He's claiming he took it off, but I don't believe him.
Okay.
Neither one of them had him on. She's telling me she's the RO. She gave me her name, but she doesn't have a.
I ain't gonna lie. If this was my house right now, I would have been acting like I was sweeping up the snow trying to see what's going on.
Okay.
So I can write her for that.
Yeah, check and
Plus,
see if you can
the
find
reason-
the driver's license picture.
Well, yeah, I stopped her for. She's suspended.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she's pissed.
Let me ask you something, sir. Do you have a valid driver's license?
No,
No. So neither of you are leaving here then until
I
we have a
don't.
valid driver
You know
also.
what? I can walk away. Can I?
You can't leave right now.
If I'm not being detained, yes, I can.
No, you are detained.
How?
You're getting a citation.
That's
You're
not
not
being
going
detained.
anywhere.
That's not being detained.
Yeah. You're
Then what the fuck is it?
not leaving.
Okay, well, when your is done giving me a ticket tag, I'm gonna.
Alert, suspended driver's license. Female, white.
He's not driving out of here without a license, so.
He says he don't have
Car gonna get towed and they can walk in the cold.
one either, but he won't identify himself.
That's perfect. They can sit
He
here
might be a sex offender.
until they get someone out here.
Operator
Permit.
failed to have passenger
Yep.
seatbelt.
Yep. That's a citation.
She's getting a seatbelt and a
Yep.
suspension.
Okay.
How far do you want to push his
It's up
identification?
to you too if for failure to carry her driver's license on her person.
I
It's up
kind
to
of
you.
feel like that's a double-edged sword because
Okay.
of this already being suspended. She doesn't really have a driver's license. Otherwise, I was going to write it.
I was gonna say with him is, I mean, if he says he had it on, he took it unless you saw that he didn't
Well, I
have
pulled
it
up
on.
behind them. They never took them off. They were, in my books, they were never wearing them. There's video from my squad. You never see them remove seatbelts or anything like that. They were, in my book, they were not wearing them.
Okay, it's up to you.
At all.
It's your stuff.
Cause I ain't finna just take off my seatbelt. I hate putting the motherfucker on. So as soon as I put my shit on, that shit on until the key come out the ignition and I'm getting out the car.
So if you feel that he truly wasn't wearing his seatbelt and you have a violation, then he's required to identify himself for his citation. If he refuses to identify himself,
Well, I didn't write him a citation. I was
Bingo!
gonna write her
But-
instead of,
what I'm saying is he's obstructing an investigation. If he has got a citable offense that you intend on citing him for, it's up to you if you want to push it that far. If he says he doesn't have a license, we can sit on him until
Okay,
we get
so
someone
then-
out here to pick them in the car up.
so then we're just going to have, I don't know, go as far as telling him we'll take him to jail to identify him and he can get booked
If-
in for obstructing?
If you wanted to go that route, that's your
That must be his boss or his trainer. He must be a new cop.
discretion. If you've got a citable offense, he's refusing to identify himself. He's by law is required to identify himself.
Yeah, this would be a simple,
Simple $10 ticket or a criminal.
well, that and just a suspension. I wouldn't have even cared to road him. Like, it's,
Sure.
this is unnecessary.
Yep.
It really is. Waste of time. Taxpayer dollars. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. I throw the book at him because she want to be nasty and they can't even. Yeah, fuck that.
Okay, so are you willing?
And this cop is being super chill. Don't you guys notice the nicest cops always get the most rudest motherfuckers?
Tell me who you are, what your name is, sir.
No, he doesn't have to. I'm telling him not to talk to you. Do not.
You about to get him sent to jail.
I'm not talking to you
Okay,
right now.
well, I don't want him
Stop
talking to
talking.
you. No.
You need to stop talking.
disrespecting me
Step out of the
for
vehicle.
no reason.
Step out. Come here. I'm going to talk to you back here.
No.
Since you ain't got no balls.
Sir, do I have to listen to him?
Yes, you do.
Walk to the front of that car, please.
I just want to know, dude, speaking person to person, like why
Yeah, I would
why
love
are
to
you
speak-
guys not? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cops here.
Look at how
Why
you're
is-
reacting.
Because
I'm not
I'm
trying to
upset. This
mistreat
happens to me
you.
all
I'm
the
not
time.
like trying to make you feel
no,
bad.
listen to me, please let me finish.
Sure.
There's so many drunk
You the drunk motherfucker right now, the way you acting.
crackheads, meth heads, alcoholics,
You acting just like all of them, like all combined in one.
people with so much stuff that if you pulled them over, you would actually, I don't know, it would feel like you were doing good because they were drinking and driving, or they had drugs, or they were doing something bad.
Okay.
But why pull
Well, you
somebody?
physically told me you're smoking weed all the time.
Because you're being a saying my eyes are glassy, you smell weed. Actually, I do smell weed now. You know you don't. You don't smell weed, you don't smell alcohol. I haven't been drinking.
Okay, for
That's
one thing,
lying to me.
it would be lying.
I think she's pissed off because she was about to go enjoy herself and have fun, and he's about to ruin that. I think that's what it is. She's basically throwing the hissy fit of a 5-year-old.
If I was lying, I'm not lying to you.
Don't raise your voice at me, dude. I have daddy issues, and I
Oh God, you got you got more than just daddy
don't
issues.
like men. I don't trust them.
Listen.
I have PTSD. Do not talk to me like that. Do not.
I'm not lying. Everything I say that we're talking about is
You know how
recorded.
scary this is when you see like this happen on the news? Where
None of
people
this
get-
would even have
people
gone
get
this
held
far or
down.
be to where it is right
People
now.
get held down by you
If
guys
you
and
wouldn't
get
have,
choked
if you
out.
could at least have the slightest bit.
Of decency.
Brad, I do not. I want to walk away from you because I don't owe you shit.
Listen,
But you know what you
walk
would
to the
do?
front of my car.
You know what you would do?
Just walk to the front of that car.
You would physically hurt me. You would hold me
I'm
down.
not going to.
But if I tried
I'm not
to run
even going
away,
to touch you.
you would. You'd shoot my.
Just have a seat right there. Relax.
You shooting yourself right now, baby.
Okay, so here's the thing. You're not identifying yourself. I pulled up behind you. I have a camera that's also in my car that I've never observed either one of you removing a seatbelt. Therefore, you weren't wearing one. It's a violation. If you're not going to tell me who you are or give me your identification, that's obstructing. And then we're going to handle it differently.
What are you trying to do?
Just tell me who you are.
What have I done wrong? Because I saw you driving around.
Yeah, I saw you at Quick Trip. I ran her plate. I saw that she was suspended as a registered owner of the vehicle. I can legally do that. I can sit at a gas pump and run every license plate around me. I can legally do that. Aaron Source.
Exactly. See, and then that's why when I see cops at the gas station, I leave.
IRVING. Zaragoza. Call it in right now so I can tell you how it is.
6-2 comp. Could you look up a Irvin Zaragoza in-house?
Just that's that bonus.
I wonder if he got a warrant and shit.
Yeah, what's the harassment?
This wouldn't, if she wouldn't have like started yelling at me and like all this would have never gotten to this point.
It's just that we're all the time. It's just happening. Like we're not doing anything wrong. Literally at the picture, standing there, and like.
So I drive around and that's my job is to observe traffic and I run license plates.
I put the wrong gas in the car.
No, I literally look for people with suspended driver's licenses. I look for people that are revoked.
And so now you're out in forest. Why?
This is my normal shift.
You're just part of
He was bored. He needed a way to make some money for the city, bro.
you guys.
Right now, yeah, you got us a shift change, so there's a lot of us. 'Cause there's guys coming off and on. Half hour ago, there was like 3 of us. That's it.
Trying to mess with us when you could be actually doing something good.
Okay. How much weed is in the car?
There's no weed here.
I can smell it.
Okay. If you can smell it, then you need to get your nose checked.
No. Irving, quit talking to him. He already got your name. You need to stop asking me questions about my
Jared, you
phone.
want to walk up here?
Yeah, exactly. Because you're going to need back over his dumb
You
ass.
must just get it done and over with. You want to get in here and check it? Go ahead.
So I looked at past contacts too with the car, and like it even says that there's been marijuana in this car. So you're gonna tell me that I don't smell it when it's been in here?
Quit talking to
I don't care to search the whole vehicle. Honestly, I don't want to look in the damn vehicle.
I don't care. Like, what are you trying to get at?
I'm just being honest. I'm talking to you, man to man.
I've already told you. Like, there's nothing here. What do you want?
Nothing. I don't want
Like,
anything.
if you're trying to get in here, get in here.
Okay, can you step out?
Can you run it? Can you
This couple is literally talking their way into jail. Like, this cop is so cool. He's so laid back. He hasn't gotten offensive with them. He hasn't gotten loud with them. He hasn't stooped to their level, and they're just asking for it at this point.
quick and
Yeah, no, you're not going anywhere. You guys might as well start calling for a ride.
I don't have it.
Okay, I'm gonna have you step forward and hang out with that officer.
I want to look inside the car.
Yes, go ahead. I have to give you permission, not him.
No, you don't. I don't need permission. Because the more I talk to him, have my head in the car, I can definitely smell marijuana.
Really? How do you know what marijuana smells like? Get that marijuana back. So put any drugs in my car from your guys' I've seen it on YouTube videos.
Do you have your phone with you?
No.
Irvin, do you want to try to call somebody? Because you guys aren't driving out of here.
Guess what? My uncle lives 2 houses up. I'm pushing my car in his driveway.
I'm going to hand you your phone so you can work on a ride.
I don't need a ride. I'm gonna push my car.
Okay, well, I'm going to go knock on that door. I'm going to verify that's your uncle, and he says it's okay. You can put your car there.
Yeah, right. Go ahead. Why don't you check the address? It's in the door.
Why do you have a hatchet in your door?
I can
That is weird as fuck. What are you doing with that?
have whatever the I want in my door. I could have a gun in my door.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. That's all I wanted to hear.
Probably a shotgun, right?
Nope. Thought you didn't have an ID.
Uh-oh.
So,
That sounds like obstructing. You can say, I hear all kinds of things. I just don't want to talk to you because I don't want you to keep yelling at me. I don't work for the city.
Nicole was released and cited for failure to wear a seatbelt, operating while suspended, and failure to have a passenger wear a seatbelt.
that's what I was doing at Quick Trip. But he said he saw that I have a suspended license when I don't have a front plate.
Keep it up.
I think she need to go to jail, which I think.
And I'm going to write you for obstructing for not
Please
giving me
do.
your ID.
Please do. I don't need to hear it. Not from you, and not from nobody.
Here's a citation for operating while suspended. There's a court date and time up here at the top. You do not have to appear. It would be a deposit of $200.50.
Oh, God, your voice.
There's also a citation for you not wearing a seatbelt. Same court
Look,
date.
I told you he's gonna write a ticket for everything because he's gonna feel asked for, that he didn't find nothing.
Also, I'm giving you a citation for not having your passenger failing to wear his seatbelt.
What the fuck was that? That was not, no.
They read them? Thank you. Have a nice night.
Yeah, you better figure out a way to get your car somewhere because you're not driving it.
I'm gonna push it to where you can go. Good
Okay.
boy. You feel good?
Nope, we'll be here.
Fighting crap. I know you will, because you don't want to do paperwork. You don't want to do your real job and go fight crime, right? You're
He doing his real job. Your dumbass driving with no, with a suspended license.
a pig, they don't count. No.
Still stand there and try to intimidate. What are you doing?
He ain't scared. He wants to fight a girl.
Okay, so make sure she doesn't drive out
He
of
wants
here.
to fight a girl.
She's gonna just drive out of here the second we leave, so
Watch.
No more to you.
it's up to you if you wanna
I've never had cops watch
sit out here
push
and
my vehicle.
if you
Why
want
you
to
not pushing your vehicle then if you supposed to push it out, stupid?
for a couple of blocks, we can follow her and watch her push her vehicle for 2 blocks, I guess.
Call that tow truck. When that tow truck comes, you gotta pay for that, right?
We can't allow her to leave though
The
without a
city does. Your
license.
boss
So.
is gonna be pissed, and I'm gonna push my car.
I watch her stupid ass about to jump in and drive away.
I totally agree. She's not leaving.
If it is going a couple of blocks up to her uncle's house, make sure you verify that that person is your uncle and that it's allowed to stay there.
Head over to codebluecam.com and check out our great selection.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Got videos coming in the morning tomorrow, and then we might be back to our regular scheduling depending on if I do another super long video. But that's it, baby. We out.